Hi there. First of all, thank you for being here on this channel and engaging with me here. I guess you're a bit curious about veganism, but I would have appreciated it more if you would not have written this lie. Can you think of a way that you could have engaged here, but without writing a statement that's untrue? Do you think that you could have perhaps put it into a question, such as, Miss Katie, I heard that vegans are unhealthy because they don't get protein. Is that true? You see, then I could answer it and I would be proud of you. Or you could have said, I heard that we need to eat dairy products in order to stay healthy. Is that true, Miss Katie? And then I could have answered you and I would have been proud of your question, because it's okay to ask questions. It's not okay to lie though and mislead other people who read your comment. See, I'm just one person here. I can't respond to all of the lies that are in the comment section. So I've said it many times before, but I will repeat it probably for the, I don't know, maybe this is 1,000 times I've said it. I seem to say it every single day, that plants have protein and you will be fine as long as you're eating enough calories. Okay, so don't worry about that. And as far as dairy goes, dairy products include anything that is taken from a mother cow that is made from her milk. So first of all, does it seem normal to you that, let's say a cup hadn't been invented and you saw a cow somewhere, would you think to yourself, I gotta go underneath that cow and I gotta start to suck from her? Would that seem like a normal thing to you? Does that seem like it would be like part of the cycle of nature? Or does it seem sort of odd? Like, would you ever go up to a cat and start drinking a cat's milk, or a dog, or a giraffe? You know? It's absolutely, completely abnormal to drink cow's milk. Cow's milk is meant for baby cows. It's meant for them to drink and to grow really fast, to be big and strong cows. And in the dairy industry, they steal the milk from the babies and kill the babies. It's just not okay. So, to sum up, when you hear no information, make sure you ask yourself, is it really true, and do some research. And don't spread lies. And ask questions, or just Google it yourself. And be vegan from now on. You can totally do it. Yeah.